Alright, let's get you off the bench and into the game with Windows 11 screenshots. You're at the keyboard, clock's ticking, and you want the whole screen in one shot. Easiest play in the book, hit the Windows key and print screen together. The screen flickers like a stadium light, and boom, the full screenshot goes straight into your Pictures folder, inside Screenshots. No passing, no pasting, the file is already saved and ready to share. Now, maybe you're just looking for a quick dish instead of a full-course meal. Tap Print Screen by itself. That grabs your entire screen to the clipboard, like copying text. Then you pop open Word, PowerPoint, Paint, whatever, and hit Ctrl+V. Just like that, the image drops in, perfect for a fast document or email. But coaches love control, and so does Windows 11. Press Windows plus Shift plus S, the screen dims, and the snipping toolbar slides in from the top. You've got options: rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen snip. Most folks go rectangular, click, drag around the area you want, release, and that selection heads to the clipboard with a preview waiting down in the corner. Click that preview and you're in the snipping tool editor, where you can draw, highlight, crop, then slam it home with Save. Screenshots in Windows 11, consider that game officially mastered.